are covering apartment and home move-in and move-out hacks today. So you physically in any home, whether it's a move-in, move-out, or it's just a regular deep cleaning, you're going to physically start from the ceilings, from the window sills, any high ledge surface. In terms of dusting, you want to definitely make sure you get those corners, you know, especially anywhere with high ceilings, you want to get those high points out because that's places that a homeowner or a renter has often forgotten for months or years. And at the very end is when you're going to do floors to get any of that dust that has fallen. If you do it the other way around, you're kind of working backwards because then you could do the floors first and then you're gonna get all of the junk on there. So you see she's using a stiff broom and you're first gonna go on that baseboard and get anything that can be easily lifted off, and that's that dry dust. You will also run into dust, especially in areas such as the kitchen where you see grease often used. You'll see dust that's a little more caked on. And that's where we like to use things like our dryer sheets. That is a DIY hack that we use that is easily able to collect that dust from the baseboards that's gunked on in one swipe, and it prevents further buildup in the future. Self-cleaning oven feature, that's something that I think is like forgotten about. So really what it does, you just turn on that feature on your oven. If it has it, it's gonna lock your oven and turn it on the highest temperature setting possible, and it's literally going to bake off all of the gunk in the oven to where when you go back to wipe it up, it easily wipes up. Obviously, if it doesn't have a self-cleaning function, we would use a variety of different DIY methods such as our Dawn dish soap with baking soda. We use pumice stones, and obviously with us, we're an eco-friendly company, so we don't use Easy Off and your traditional oven cleaners that most others would. They do work very well and they're effective, but you know, we try to use those other methods to be able to get it clean without having to use those harsh chemicals. What we do, if it's a big enough sink, I like to make a big soapy sink full of water, warm water, and put the shelves in there, wipe them down, allow them time to dry. In the meantime, I can go in the refrigerator and wipe down the refrigerator without having all of that to get in between. So you're not trying to get underneath and all that stuff. You can just easily wipe it down, put the shelves and the drawers back in. That's the easiest way to clean a refrigerator. It sounds like more work on the front end, but it saves you so much on the back end. Pretty much every refrigerator, for the most part, if it's even relatively up to date. If you have a pet, and it may not be that it stains, but you might have a kid or someone in the home that has allergies, we definitely suggest having a professional come out and do, you know, your carpet cleaning. You can do spot cleaning, of course. You know, if, you know, a lot of us have pets, you know, if your pet has an accident, of course you can do spot cleaning. And especially if you don't have professional grade equipment, which most people don't in their home. You're just gonna have your standard, I even have a Dyson at home, but even a Dyson with that amount of suction, it's only so much that can be done without using good old soap, water, solution to be able to actually clean it. Now let's get to it.